Sanskrit. Just hearing the word makes you think of ancient wisdom and deep knowledge. It reminds us of wise men and women, of great stories and holy books. But Sanskrit isn't just something old. It's like a beautiful tapestry of human thought, woven over thousands of years. It connects to so many things, from how we think and what we believe to math and even studying the stars. Learning Sanskrit is like opening a treasure chest full of amazing jewels. It opens a door to a huge and fascinating world of Indian thought and culture. Imagine reading the original yoga texts, experiencing the Bhagavad Gita in its purest form, or discovering the secrets of Ayurveda. That's the power of Sanskrit. Besides its cultural value, Sanskrit also helps your brain. Its structured grammar and clear pronunciation are known to improve memory, focus, and analytical skills. Learning this old language can change you, rewiring your brain and helping you see the world in new ways. So, why should you learn it? Because Sanskrit isn't just a language. It's a key to unlocking ancient wisdom, to making your mind sharper, and to connecting with a rich cultural history that still inspires people all over the world. Sanskrit might seem very different from the languages we speak today. Its grammar, with its many rules for word endings, can seem hard at first. Unlike many modern languages, Sanskrit changes word endings to change the meaning. This lets you be very specific and detailed, which is rare in other languages. Speaking Sanskrit correctly also takes practice. The language uses sounds that might be new to you if you speak English or other European languages. Learning these sounds is important for understanding and speaking Sanskrit, but don't let these differences scare you. While Sanskrit is challenging, it also has special rewards. Its logical rules and clear grammar can actually make it easier to learn other languages, especially ones that come from the same family as Sanskrit, like English, Spanish, and French. Learning Sanskrit isn't just about memorizing words and grammar rules. It's about learning a new way of thinking, a new way of seeing the world. Sanskrit needs a patient and focused mind, a willingness to work with complex ideas and detailed structures. One important part of learning Sanskrit is understanding how precise it is. Every sound, every part of a word has a specific meaning and purpose. Everything is very clear in Sanskrit. Another important part is respecting the language. Sanskrit is often called Deva Bhasha, the language of the gods. This respect is shown in the traditional ways people teach and learn Sanskrit. Starting your Sanskrit journey. Methods and approaches. There are many ways to start learning Sanskrit. The important thing is to find a way that works for you and your goals. Formal study. Taking a Sanskrit class gives you a teacher to help you and classmates to learn with. Universities and special language schools often have complete Sanskrit programs. Self-study. If you like to learn on your own, there are many things you can use like textbooks, online classes, and apps. Studying by yourself takes discipline and motivation, but lets you learn at your own pace. Immersion. Surrounding yourself with Sanskrit is a really good way to learn quickly. Think about going to a Sanskrit retreat or even visiting India. Memorization. Traditional Sanskrit learning focuses a lot on memorizing. This helps you learn the language and also improves your memory and how you think. Text-based learning reading. Sanskrit literature is a big part of learning the language. Start with easy texts like fables and stories before moving on to harder books. Steps to mastering Sanskrit. Learning Sanskrit is a journey, not a race. It takes time to build your knowledge and skills. Here are some important steps and topics you'll learn. Script. Start by learning the Devanagari script, the alphabet used for Sanskrit. Look closely at the shapes of each letter and how they are written together. Grammar. Understanding Sanskrit grammar is very important. Focus on learning the rules for how nouns and verbs change and how sentences are built. Vocabulary. Learn lots of words and phrases. Use flashcards, apps, and try to see how words are used in real sentences. Syntax. Pay attention to how Sanskrit sentences are put together, which is often different from English. Practice translating simple sentences to understand word order. Literature. Once you know some grammar and vocabulary, start reading Sanskrit literature. Start with easier texts and slowly move on to harder ones. A lifelong journey. The lasting rewards of Sanskrit. Mastering Sanskrit isn't a quick race. It's a long journey. It's a lifelong journey of discovery and growth that will be both hard and rewarding. The benefits of learning Sanskrit are much bigger than just being able to read old texts or speak an ancient language. Sanskrit makes you think better, improves your memory and focus, and helps you understand language itself. It helps you appreciate Indian culture and philosophy and connects you to a rich intellectual history. As you learn more about Sanskrit, you'll see that the learning process is the real reward. It's a journey of self-discovery, a journey that will open your mind and make your life better in many ways. So, take a deep breath, accept the challenge, and start this amazing adventure. The treasures of Sanskrit are waiting for you.